Welcome to Fast Fix. Today, I will show you how to change your Twitter settings to see sensitive content. So first, go ahead to your Twitter app as you can see on your screen. Then tap on the profile picture at the top left corner, or you can swipe left to right and you can see the settings. And then here, tap on Settings and Support at the bottom. So tap on that drop down menu. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. And then as you can see under Settings, you can now tap on Privacy and Safety. And then under your Twitter activity, you can tap on Content you see. And then as you can see on your screen, you can now toggle on the display media that may contain sensitive content. So you need to toggle it on. Then at the bottom, you can see the search settings. So you need to tap the settings like that. And you need to toggle off the hide sensitive content. So you can now see all the sensitive content on your Twitter app. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.